So hey guys, it's Ree, but if you're new to my channel, my name's ADERIYIKE. So I just quickly did this updated makeup tutorial, get ready with me, using some new products, even though I've been doing the same routine and using kind of the same products for like the last couple of months. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this makeup look and the products I use, because I'm going to be leaving the products down in the description because I'm saying it with my mouth. So if you really watch the video, you'll know the gold product that I mentioned in this video. But if you guys want to see how I came out with this makeup tutorial, please continue watching. Ignore my stubs. I feel like a Powerpuff Girl. But don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next clip. Okay, so we're going to ignore that my nails are not done. Right now they look nuts. They look... So you guys, I picked up some new stuff from Ulta the other day, so I'm going to be using some new products, but everything is basically the same. I just switched like 1 or 4 things. Okay, so first I'm going to start off with my primer. I definitely choose my primer. I've been using the same Smashbox retired. I have my AirPods in just in case because my phone's charging, but I've been using the same retired ass Smashbox primer that everybody and their mothers would probably use, and I'm just tired of it. So I actually went to Ulta and got the Angel Veil. So I'm gonna be using Angel Veil on my face because it's that primer crack. I don't have texture on my face, it's mostly just scars, but the scars are very in my face, so I'm just gonna be using one primer today. And if you're an OG, you know I don't put any primer on my forehead because that's just not somewhere that gets shiny. It's just usually like, at this point, my face isn't as oily as it used to be, but it's mostly just like my nose. So far, my face really changed a lot, like my texture or my skin type has really changed. It used to be very, very oily, but now it's just like normal to oily. Locked up foundation in because I still have scars, so I still have to cover shit. I'm gonna be using the Fenty powder in Honey and putting it all in my face. I don't put the beauty blender because I feel like I don't need that much of a coverage. Like I don't need to do too much anymore. So I really hope that you guys aren't surprised when you see what foundation I'm using after all these months. MAC foundation in the color NW55. I went to go pick up 2 with the pump. Okay. Like, at this point, I don't see why I should change foundations because this was color matched to my skin and it's still working. It's still working for me, so I'll probably have to change when it gets cold. Like, look at this color match on its own. Phenomenal. See, I think like 2 pumps is enough for each side of my face, so I do 2 pumps and I focus it more in the middle of my face because I'm gonna use my sponge. Like, all right, I didn't touch like the perimeter of my face, so I'm gonna do that with the sponge because I don't feel like a brush can do that. So, and then to get rid of the halo brow, I have half a pump of the foundation and I focus it more on the edge of the concealer because it needs to like RIP to the baby hairs, even though they weren't laid in the first place. So I'm just gonna let that sit. I don't need to blend it out because I'm not trying to have a halo eye, so the longer it sits, the better it'll blend in. So I'm gonna take my Real Techniques and then put like, I'm gonna just do a pump because I already did most of my face, a pump. And just like start blending down the sides and my neck or whatever. Now, if you're really watching this video, because I'm not putting the products down below because I'm saying it. And I want people to be like, I'm not gonna get to it. If you're watching this video, the best concealer, $6. Elf. I went to go pick up Elf. I watched some girl's makeup tutorial. I was like, wait, that applied like butter. So I went to go get it and the shit is crack. I went literally right back to Ulta the next day to get another 2 because why is this so good? I have deep cinnamon and deep chestnut, and there's a color, deep cinnamon and deep chestnut are together, like right next to each other, and there's a shade before deep chestnut. It's called like deep beige or deep tan. I want that color for highlight, but these work really well so far. So I just put you guys on because this is the best concealer I've tried so far. I don't know LA Girl anymore. I don't know who MAC. The MAC concealer, I don't know you. Who are you? And the way this dries, like at a perfect time, by the time I'm done concealing my face and I'm ready to blend out, it's dried. Like, it's so smooth. I don't understand how I have skipped this. Is this new? Someone let me know if these are new, because this concealer, I just don't get why it's so great. So I'm gonna blend that out, and then I know I haven't did this in a long time, but I'm gonna start highlighting my face the second time, like using 2 concealers instead of just using one bright ass concealer, because I just feel like it looks a little bit better. It's a better transition now. Foundation, flawless finish, but it's not my color. So I might have to go back, because if I mix this, I feel like I have a beat face with this, because this formula is nice too. And with the concealer, you know, the concealer always goes with the foundation the best. Oh, my camera better, that lighting better stay how it was. Okay. Okay. All right. And then next, I'm gonna take deep chestnut in a more controlled area. See, it's not as like, you guys know I like a yellow type of highlight, because I have like red undertones, so I like yellow highlight. I just like the pair, but I'm gonna try and go back to the store and get a new one. But the foundation, the concealer is gonna stay the same. The concealer color might change. I'm gonna let this sit for like literally a minute. How that blends, oh my God. Elle, where have you been? Look at the highlight, the way it blends, like $6. I need to go get more before people start noticing how great it is, because this is crazy. My girl was good for the price, but $6, this is like perfect. I have no complaints about this foundation. It goes with the powder I've been using, which you guys will not be surprised. But the highlight color is just amazing. Yeah, I'll blend the rest out later. I don't like when my eyebrows look too spaced out, so I'm gonna fill that in later. Amazing, amazing. I know, like, it's crazy right now, a little bit. It's not as crazy as other concealers would have me looking like a white woman before I could put my color back. But yeah, so besides my eyebrows that are 10 feet apart, social distancing, I'm gonna get the Fenty Beauty setting powder. The only thing different I changed is that I was using hazelnut before, but now I'm using honey, because I picked up the wrong color in the store, because I thought I knew I would know what color I had. I was wrong, because Sephora had it in the wrong place, so I just picked it up and dipped, and I noticed it was the wrong one. So I'm gonna just put this So I lost my fluffy brush, RIP, I don't know where you are. I don't know, I still have bad vision with contacts in. Why is that possible? I don't know. So I'm gonna take this Amazon brush I had that I haven't used for anything and just, I don't know why I started there, but I'm just gonna pat it in. Okay, so I just sprayed a little bit of oh, Morphe has this new matte setting spray, mattifying continuous mist. It's white, but of course the bottle's brown, because I am, and my finger's been touching it. So like underneath my eyes is very dry. My face, my type has changed a lot, because I'm not used to how long it'll take my oils to kick in. So this powdery look, it's gonna go away sometime. Usually it'd be done already, but yeah. I'm gonna use my buffing brush, and I'm gonna be using Fenty first, the Fenty Beauty in Mocha Mommy. This is very old, and I don't think I got that much use out of it. because I was like so in love with the Juvia's Place one, but this one is like a bronzer, a real bronzer. Juvia's Place will be the contour. So take Juvia's Place. Literally nothing has changed. This is the Saharan Blush Volume Very Dirty Disgusting in the color Abby or Abby. And just like in a more controlled area. And I'm gonna also be taking the Real Techniques square foundation brush. Who the hell is using this small ass brush for foundation? And contouring the side of my nose. Or just contouring my nose in general. So while my face is still giving dry as fuck here, I'm gonna let my oil start kicking in, fix up my nose contour, put some powder down the middle. You know, I'm gonna do my highlighter off camera, my lips, and my setting spray, and I'll be back with the finished look. Oh my god, I look like a clown. So hey guys, I'm back with the finished look. So hey guys, I'm back with the finished look. I feel like everything else that I used, everything else I used was like unimportant or whatever. So yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna leave a list. I just used a lot, like the lip stuff, whatever. So I ended up using my MAC Fix Plus Lavender Matte Spray and then my Morphe Setting Spray. And I feel like my face is a little bit dry still, but I'm gonna wait for like the oils to kick in. But this is basically the finished look. Let me know what you guys think. I'm glad to be back. Thank the fuck God classes are online because I'm ready to be back on YouTube. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you tried any new products that you think that I should try out for myself. And I'm gonna let you guys go. Will I be changing my makeup routine? Probably not. So this will probably be like the only makeup tutorial unless I'm doing like get ready with me for specific events where I'm doing specific eyeshadows and colors and whatnot. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video, which is coming very